In this video, we'll learn about hyperboles. If you've ever heard someone say something like, "My backpack weighs a ton," or "The test was so hard that my brain exploded," then you've heard a hyperbole being used. A hyperbole is an exaggeration used to show strong feelings or be funny. So when someone says something like, "My backpack weighs a ton," they don't mean that the backpack actually weighs a ton or 2,000 pounds. They just mean that the backpack is very heavy because 2,000 pounds is a lot of weight. And if someone says their brain exploded, they don't mean that their brain actually blew up. They mean that their brain worked very hard on something. How do you figure out if someone is using a hyperbole and what the hyperbole really means? First, look or listen for an exaggeration, or a description that is way more or way less than you'd expect. Then think about whether it could really happen or is it even possible. Lastly, think about the real meaning or the point the person is trying to make using the exaggeration. Let's try one. If someone says, "I'm melting out here in the sun," we can figure out that melting sounds like an exaggeration since people don't actually melt. So we can figure out that the person just means they are very hot, since things melt when they're hot. If someone says, "The bottle broke into 1,000,000 pieces," we know that 1,000,000 pieces sounds like a lot of pieces for just one bottle, so it must be an exaggeration. Instead, the person probably meant that the bottle broke into a lot of pieces. Remember not to take hyperboles literally. Instead, recognize that they are exaggerations that are a way to make what we say more creative, funny, or expressive. Could you use some no-prep practice activities to work on hyperboles with your students? Check out the link in the description and subscribe to this channel for more video lessons.